Okay, so we were discussing about Nepal. So Nepal has, let us discuss two constitutions of Nepal. Okay, it's like we are taking two sets of rules. One, the rules of basketball, another, the rules of football. It will be different because it is two different games, isn't it? Similarly, when one is monarchy, a rule of a king, it is a constitution. When it is democracy, ruled by the people, it has got a different constitution. So when we discuss the case of Nepal, we will discuss or at least try to see what are the changes, what is the main change in these two constitutions. It's like football is played with a foot and basketball is played with a hand. Similarly, you will see in 1990 they had a constitution when they were under monarchy. Okay, monarchy in the constitution, in constitutions, each main paragraphs, main rules are known as articles. So, article of a constitution means that's a point. Let's say point number 10, point number 11. Instead, in a constitution, we will say it as an article. So, there will be a rule about it and there's an explanation of pages behind after it. So, that's how a constitution is written. When you are in higher classes, you study more about the articles and importance of Article 45, Article 71, etc. So, in Nepalese constitution of 1990, Article 35 or the rule number 35 says executive, the executive powers. In it, Article 35 says the executive power of Kingdom of Nepal shall be vested in His Majesty and the Council of Ministers. So the Constitution of 1990 of Nepal says the power is vested in His Majesty and Council of Ministers. Majesty is a way to address the king. Okay. So Constitution Article 35 they says the power is with the king. So it's like football is played with foot. Now, next they had another constitution in 2015. In 2015, Article 75. Article 75 of Nepalese constitution says, again it is about the same topic, the executive powers. They say the executive powers of Nepal shall, pursuant to this constitution and law, be vested in the Council of Ministers. Don't worry about the extravagant words which are there. Pursuant to this constitution and law just simply means according to this constitution and law. Okay, they use some technical terms. Don't worry about it. It's some people try to make them big. Meaning is simple. According to this constitution, the executive powers of Nepal shall, according to this constitution and law, be vested in the Council of Ministers. The king or His Majesty is being removed because king is no more in rule. So this is how a constitution is written or determines who handles the power. Clear? So in Nepalese constitution, one gave the power to king and the ministers to rule. Another, the power was given to the Council of Ministers. These two different constitution, and we are coming to a topic why we need a constitution, right? We will discuss why we need a constitution in the next slide.